Talk about how to create actions. So once you've created your pipelines, you need to create actions and outcomes. So that's this section right here. So it's the third one, user pipelines, actions and outcomes. And just click on that. Now, these are really important because these are the things that your salespeople are going to be doing repetitively every single day. So there's a couple that have been predefined for you because they're the most common. So for example, here you see you have call, which is answered, rejected, or unanswered. You have, for example, meeting, success, failed, canceled, right? So these are some predefined outcomes that have been done by SalesWin, but you can create your own specific action with their outcomes. So let's do one right now. Now we'll call this one initial call, right? And we'll change the little icon to a telephone. Now here we're going to make 4 outcomes, which is first one, interested, right? And we'll keep that, we'll put that one in green. Then we'll have another one which is not interested, and that one is just going to be straight red. We'll have another one which is call again. So they haven't said that they're not interested. So we'll put that one in maybe blue, right? And maybe the phone number doesn't work, or we have to call from a different number and not answering. All right, and this one we're gonna put in orange. All right, so there you are. You have 4 outcomes that are possible. So you just click on save, and then that becomes one of the actions that you can put throughout your sales funnel and basically what your sales team is going to be using. Just a little note about these actions. Now, all of this is color-coded to make it super easy for the salesperson, really quick to be able to add information without having to type. It's very useful for the salesperson to know where he or she is, but it's also really important for the manager because then they can see what's happening. Now, later on, we're going to be talking about automations. Some of these actions and their outcomes can lead to an automation, but we'll talk about that a little bit later on because that's a bit more complex tool that we'll show you how to use.